So I'll open the phone lines. But before that, what I'm saying, yen to me and BBI without entering somewhere. Now there's something I want to put out here. A year the NSA, NSB, a year Benjamin Ansa and then call for, and I would like to tell the NDC, new government coming in. Pay attention to the NSA, National Signal Bureau. Right now, what I can tell you is say, Kevin Mankofu ground home. Okay, this is what is happening at the NSA. The National Signal Bureau na omune NCA jumano. NSA for no omuna mo phones no mutumi tape, omuna omutumi ema mo network they drop it, omuna sebi when it comes to Ghana data ni adia omo manipulate. Yes, our boys no more no. For some time, you be directors. NSA at the cars about 40 cars about Ghana. Fresh tier rubber forerunners. Now, what is happening at the NSA, and I'm sending this message to the NDC. Oma no me directors in ya more casa, near more good salaries, And they started dropping their positions. Ubuha no a secretary, near a director. Ubuha or a mere party person or near a director. Omu nipa be 17 directors. And then almost start here, they are basically dropping their positions and not making them directors again. Because now they are going to be asked a lot of questions. Questioning is got to do with Ejuma Omaye. Ka na edema omono. Where did they deserve the director positions? In the end, what they have started doing in the say, they are now HR, a secretary, no, the director, no, and they are starting about HR. They know department head now, the director no, and they are starting up a department head. But the funny thing is, I have all the documents as Uncle Fu is signing here with their names under it as a director. And I want to tell the NDC say this is what is happening at the NSA, NSB, National Signal Bureau, and the NCA. Now, you people should pay close attention to NSB. There's something going on there. All the cars that they are trying to hide. Ben Ansa is the person leading this. Now, what they are doing right now, and they say they are hiding documents, and some of the documents we have already. We are not worried. I can show you so many documents. Directors, Dinsha, they will all be called back to answer questions. More dropping in for positions, communications director, communications, and HR secretary, and Sanko from directors for the past 4 years, 5 years, and they are all going to answer questions. And the new people who are taking the directorship position now, some position now we're taking now, you are acting criminal because say, or not undeserving, so you are covering up for that person. And I know all of you guys, they are giving you directorship position now. Into our director or NSB, stay as director. Ben and someone there, stay as director. Sa benefit amunya Land Cruisers, new ones, tier rubber edema munya. We have record and the VIN numbers of all those cars. And I'm just sending a message to you guys. Stay as directors. Do not lower your positions. And I'm referring maybe say, most sending letters outside in your man. So what you are doing, you started this morning. It's funny. And I have my guys in there. And that one day, I wouldn't lie to you. NCA have my guys in there. NSB have my guys in there. So I am sending this message to NSB. You cannot change people's position. Directors stay directors. Managers stay managers. When we come in there, we will know who stole money and who took advantage of the country. So you people cannot change anything. The documents are already, we have. Don't change anything. Directors are directors. It's very, very important. Now, that's one. Now, no, this one each. NSB, right? National Signal Bureau. All right, there's another one. Yeah, but Nasia, but I just okay. Now, also, I hear the National Security Council. National Security Council. There's something happening there. And with this one, I'll give phone numbers. Now, this is what is happening there. The National Security Council has purchased more than 1,000 Navara pickups. The National Security Council, more than 1,000 what we call Navara pickups. Mr. P, can you give me a Navara pickup picture? Now, cars we are purchasing in from South Africa. 1,000. And on my day, National Security Council. In fact, there is a company in Ghana that can basically, assemble this car, but they didn't do it. They say they have purchased 1,000 Navara pickups. Now, your company or Ghana assemblage, they went to South Africa to buy those cars. Now, they have also brought in 200 motorbikes, fresh motorbikes, 200 of them. Now, they are distributing these cars to their party members and the motorbikes to their party members. NSC, National Security Council, stop that, because we are going to ask you about this purchase. 1,000 Navara pickups in Accra, Free South Africa. Now, what they are doing right now, they say, almost had the 200 motorbikes, 200 motorbikes, they have started giving it out to party members, NPP members. Now, the man who is in charge of the vehicles are Nidini, and then the phone number. If you know him, call him right now and tell him that he should stop. We know about the cars, 1,000 vehicles and 200 motorbikes. Almost say the bechiche NPP for to take home. Mister, stop it. Let me put their names up so that Mubehu Sani Panama from Kevin Taylor say nobody should dare do that. Now, your friend, this man Noah Nyadro. This is phone number 024 6651 024 6651 or two numbers. My first second one and some Noah Nyadro. He is in charge the distribution of the vehicles. He is in charge. The number here is 024 6651 The second Vodafone number no 020 819 0130. The MTN number here 024 6651 And the Vodafone no 020 819 0130. Now, there's another man, honestly, in charge of the vehicles. George Odru. Now, George Odru, the phone number is 055 3748 101. 055 3748 This is George Odro. He is also in charge of the distribution of the vehicles and the motorbikes. There's one last person. You guys should call them tonight and tell them, 1,000 cars on money CBC. Nobody should touch even one. All right. The last person is called Tay Noah. His phone number is 0243 552597. 0243 552597. I'm going to mention the numbers and the names again. Send a move it to me. I'm on Matthias here. 1,000 Navara pickups and 200 motorbikes fresh. They are going to distribute it to the NPP within this week or next week. That is what they want to do. Saka somebody from South Africa and buy National Security Council on the Saka and buy. This is a national emergency. NDC security do not play with this. You guys should move in and tell them they should halt anything they are doing. Now, the men who are in charge of the distribution of these cars and also these cars and the besides, you have this is the car we are talking about. Cars now, macra 1,000, about every South Africa now more better any. All right, this is the Navara pickup. We and Omakra 1,000 of them. They want to share it to their party people. I am telling them to put a stop to it. The NDC operation team should go in there and stop them. This is the cars are 1,000 Abba Ghana. Now, let me show you the men who are in charge. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Elikem. Elikem just sent me a message. Thank you, Elikem Kotoko. 024 666 sorry 024 6651 217 024 6651 217 and George Odru. The phone number is 055 3748 101 055 3748 101 and Tay Noah. Also the phone number no 024 355 2597. We have every document about these cars. None of them should move. 1,000 Navara, they should stay. Sabako Kraira, you guys will go to jail. 1. This is the National Security Council. I'm sending this message and I'm sending this message to the NDC operations. These are the things you need to go in and stop. Now, National Security Council, and first, I'm from the National Ministry of National Security. No, okay. Ministry of National Security. No, no. So very important. I'm sending this message to the NDC, and these guys, we are telling you, nobody should touch any of these cars. Nobody. In the first place, there is a company in Ghana that could have delivered this car, assembled this car in Ghana. You guys decided to go to South Africa. These 3 men I've mentioned, none of you should try and release any of these cars. Okay. Now, Maminra a year. Let me enter a year.